Hi there. If you are from non-technical background, there could be a little difficulty in understanding the concepts of generative AI or prompt engineering or how to use these tools to be better at Amazon. Correct? In today's video, we are going to understand more about these tools and get the fundamentals clear. The first question that we need to ask, why are these tools such as ChatGPT or Perplexity or any other AI tools, why do we call them as Gen AI tools, as in generative AI tools? Let me explain it to you, my friends. Now here is the thing, right? On internet there is vast amount of data, isn't it? When you interact with these tools, as in when you ask these tools for some information, these tools are able to fetch the information which is already available on internet and then generate responses to your query. That is exactly why these tools are called as generative AI tools. Now here is the thing, my friends, when you interact with these tools, we call it as prompting, as in you are asking, you are interacting with these tools. Alright, whenever you interact with these tools, it is very important for you to set some context or provide some context in order to get meaningful information from these tools. Let's see how can we use these tools in order to do product research, listing management, and images development. Well, let's assume that we are selling garlic press. Alright, now the first thing, I want to use these tools in order to perform my product research. At this research phase, I want to understand more about my customer avatar, try to understand what their pain points are, understand more about my customer demographics, and more. You need to use these tools on the top of your private label playbooks. Please do not consider them to be a substitute to your regular playbooks. Why I am saying is, if I want to do product research, it is still important for me to understand by going through all the reviews that are already available on Amazon. Try to understand what is good, what is bad, what can be improved. You need to get this information from real customers who purchase the product. Correct? Now if you are trying to pick this information from generative AI tools, you end up getting very broader set of information which may not be of much value add. Assuming I followed all my private label checklists, now let's see how I am going to use this AI tool in order to get better understanding of my market. For our conversation today, I am using ChatGPT. You may also explore other tools such as Perplexity or any other tools. Now the first thing I would say, hi, I am a seller on Amazon.com and I want to sell garlic press. Correct? Could you please help me understand more about my customer avatar? Let's try to spend some time and understand what information did I get from ChatGPT. The first section that I see is more to do with demographics, as in what is the age of my customer avatar, what is the gender, what could be their income levels, and also a couple of more insights on my customer psychographics as well as their behavior information. Now these insights are really helpful, right? Now even before launching my products, while I have the context in terms of what is good, what is bad, or what can be improved on Amazon, these insights are going to help me develop a compelling product detail page that pleases my customer avatar. In addition to this, I can also try to understand more insights, as in while using the garlic press, what are the common pain points that my customer avatar face. The process of chatting with these tools is called as prompting. Correct? Now here we are trying to provide some context and then asking questions, and that is what is called as prompting, and this entire process is called as prompt engineering, as in you are trying to set some context to the tool and fetch as much insights as possible. Now given that we have these insights, I get to see more information about the pain points such as difficulty in using the tool, complexity of cleaning, inconsistent results, durability issues, size and storage, difficulty in handling garlic skins, incompatibility with other ingredients, price versus value, difficulty in handling large garlic cloves. These are all valuable insights, isn't it? Now, understand one thing, you need to go through these points and see how many of them are relevant and how many of them are not relevant. Assuming all the points over here are relevant, I will try to use this information to develop my product bullet points. Now, let me say, thank you for the inputs. Can you please help me develop 5 bullet points for my Amazon listing? Each bullet point should be of, let's say, 200 characters. Once I type in the above prompt, now AI tool has helped me get 5 bullet points. You can go through these points and see if that is of value. Understand, right now you just have content that addresses your target audience. This content is not SEO optimized yet. So let's do that. Please use the keyword garlic press in the above bullet points in exact match. Once I type in, now I have content that is good and also SEO optimized. In this manner, you're going to use Gen AI tools to develop content for your PDPs. In addition to this, you can also use your Gen AI tools to develop your product images. Most importantly, get ideas for packaging. For example, if we were to look at one of the tools, let's say, help me develop excellent images of garlic press for my Amazon listing and select generate. It may take a couple of seconds for the application to load, but you would definitely get creative ideas. For example, if you look into these images, they are excellent, isn't it? They give you some level of visual ideas which you can then pass on to your designer and request him to develop something within these lines, right? So these insights or these tools will help you create better designer briefs so that you can communicate to your designer and tell him how exactly you want things to be built. Alright, this is all I have for today. I hope you learned something new. If that is the case, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Have a nice day and goodbye.